This is what your marketing mindset should always be. Look, I've been in digital marketing for a really long time, over 20 years, and I've seen so many trends come and even go. But do you know what's been a constant the entire time I've been in the game? The customer. Every single thing you do should always be focused on not just driving conversions for your brand, but actually offering major value to your audience. And do you want to know what your customers really want these days? It's flexibility. The pandemic changed everything. So how can you meet your audience on their terms and drive more leads for your brands? Step 1, leverage UGC content. UGC stands for user-generated content. Show your audience that they have every reason to trust your brand. 60% of people say that the most authentic content is created by customers. So if you're selling physical products, have your customers create unboxing videos. If you offer a service, have your customers create content on testimonials or even reviews. These are all examples of creating amazing content from your customers that can help with conversions. Step 2, offer a seamless online experience. 68% of customers say they're willing to pay more for products and services from a brand that offers a good service. And this makes sense. Would you really want to buy products or services from a brand that's not really known for providing good service? Like, just imagine this. You buy something, you need help, you need to talk to them, and you can't really ever get a hold of them. I remember I've been a user for Comcast for years, and Comcast was known for one of the worst support systems out there. Terrible service. Then they ended up rebranding to Xfinity because their service and support was just so bad. And then eventually Netflix and Disney Plus and all these solutions came out, and then now I don't need to pay for Comcast. Step 3, invest in reoccurring customers. Investing in new customers, from what we've seen at our ad agency, NP Digital, is anywhere from 5 to almost 25 times more expensive than retaining existing ones. So make sure you have upsells, make sure you're continually helping your customers, and you're doing whatever you can for them not to only create good word of mouth marketing for you, but for them to also come back and continually buy from you. Step 4, leverage analytics to drive better service. 72% of companies believe that they can use analytics reports to improve customer experience. And why not? Because if your analytics tells you this is where people are bouncing off, this is where they're getting stuck, might as well fix it. You can use tools like Crazy Egg to help you solve these issues with your website, so that way you can improve your customer experience. Step 5, survey your audience. 80% of companies use satisfaction scores to analyze and improve customer experience. So why not do the same? You can use tools like SurveyMonkey to survey your audience for free, figure out what's wrong, and fix it. That's how you continually improve your business. Now, if you want my team to help you do all this plus more, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we help companies grow. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll answer and help you out. And if you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell people about it, subscribe to the channel.